Number 1. SOG Seal Strike Fixed Blade Knife with Sheath. The SOG Seal Strike Fixed Blade Knife is designed to perform with precision in any situation, in any environment. The partially serrated full-tang 4.9-inch Bowie-style blade is crafted in cryogenically hardened AUS-8 stainless steel and sunk to the heel in a glass-reinforced nylon grip with stainless steel banding for additional strength. SOG includes a deluxe hard-molded nylon sheath with a built-in sharpener, ferrochromium fire starter, and in-sheath line cutter.
Number 2. Free Soldier Men's Waterproof Hiking Boots. Tactical design with urban casual fashion style, make it practical to outdoor and daily use. Removable insole and breathable lining make this work shoes more sweat-releasing and quick-drying, keeps your feet dry. Shaft is approximate 6-inch high from heel, heel is approximate 1.5-inch, easy to put feet into this working boots. This military boots work great in hiking, work, tactical, army, hunting, motorcycle and outdoor activities that require durable wearing and long-lasting.
Number 3. Daylon Upgraded Unisex LED Lighted Beanie Hat. This knitted hat with flashlight are thoughtfully designed to look good in fashion, keep you warm, and provide approximately 10 hours battery life. Wear it running, camping, hiking, hunting, jogging, shoveling snow, etc. Light up your way in the dark night.
Number 4. Tactical Men's TacLite Pro Lightweight Performance Pants. Constructed using premium polyester and cotton mechanical stretch TacLite ripstop fabric with a triple stitching build, this pair of pants is sturdy and flexible to ensure maximum performance in the field. Coated with Teflon, these pants have a protective finish that resists stain, soil, and moisture without compromising breathability. The coating also makes it easier to clean this garment. Specially designed for professionals on the go, this pair of pants has 8 pockets including strap-on/seat pockets to provide ample storage and easy access to all your mission-critical gear. Number 5. SOG Tomahawk Tactical Hatchet. The SOG Voodoo Hawk was designed as a combination of tactical tomahawk and fast hawk. This Voodoo Hawk Mini is smaller and lighter while featuring the same components: an extended cutting head, spike for piercing applications, compact glass-reinforced nylon handle, and metal pommel cap. The Voodoo Hawk Mini has everything the Voodoo Hawk has, but in a smaller, compact form, making it great for outdoor travelers like backpackers, hikers, hunters, or paddlers. The durable glass-reinforced nylon handle can take a beating while still remaining strong.
Number 6. Hike and Bike Yosemite Hiking and Backpacking Tent. The Yosemite backpacking tent, available in both one-person and two-person versions, is designed to be the ultimate tent for everyone to enjoy backpacking, car camping, and all other outdoor adventures. It is designed with intent to be lightweight, but also tough. Therefore, the rainfly and floor of the tent is constructed with polyester non-stretch fabric, creating a lightweight and ultra-strong exterior for the shell and floor of the tent. Hike farther with this lightweight, single-pole backpacking tent. Summit any mountain or camp by the summer sea with these compact tent and have plenty of room to sleep comfortably.
Number 7. Zippo Fire Starting Multi-Tool. The Zippo Fire Starting Multi-Tool has everything you need to reliably start your fire. Use the wheel and flint to spark the fire paracord and add shavings from the tinder grater. Keep building your fire by adding additional wood fuel cut using the onboard high-carbon steel cutting tool and saw blade. The multitasking fire starting phenom is an essential on your next outdoor adventure.
Number 8. LED Camping Lantern Rechargeable. With handles and built-in compass, making it suitable for outdoor activities. With camping lantern on two sides and two detachable flashlights on other two sides. You can take them off to meet your need. This lantern flashlight is 600 lumen with 360-degree beam angle, providing you sufficient brightness. IPX4 water-resistant camping light, protect from splash water. The main lantern can be powered by built-in rechargeable battery or 3D batteries. Two detachable flashlight can be powered by 6 AAA batteries.